Yes guys, welcome back to another episode. So tonight we've decided to come up to Grand Bay, seeing one of my cousins come out with my cousin Yaz, Jessica, Rania, Yasil. There we go, everyone's out here. We've come to this Bistro Restaurant. If you're ever up in Grand Bay, this is where you gotta hit, because apparently this has got one of the best, well, steaks that you can probably go for. I mean, you look at that kind of stuff, it's looking good, it's looking tender, the presentation is nice. I mean, for the price it should be nice as well. So basically stay tuned, I'll let you know how it is and how it's going to be, but I think this is going to be good anyway. Peace.
I think to myself, what a wonderful world.